children, good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some of the aspects of human digestive system. You know, as this is the very important system in our body, so as to provide us the different nutrients and source of energy. So today, on behalf of the Sant Tukaram National Model School, I am here to explain you some of the aspects of human digestive system. Dear children, we know the human digestive system. It is made up of different organs. It is made up of different organs. The very important organ of that, it is the alimentary canal, which is made up of different organs. Yes, starting from mouth, it will go up to the anus, and in this part, the human digestion takes place. So now, as it starts from mouth, today we will discuss very important things and the different organs and how digestion takes place in the mouth itself. Okay, so dear children, the mouth, this cavity, in this, the two type of digestion takes place. One, what we call it as the mechanical digestion, and another one, chemical digestion. But first, we will see about the mechanical digestion. Now, dear children, as you are seeing on the screen, yes, the mechanical digestion, it takes place in the mouth. This mouth cavity is also known as the buccal cavity. It is also known as the buccal cavity. In this, the different organs are present. In this, the different organs are present, as you see. That first organ is the tongue. This tongue, it is very useful organ. We use it mostly for speaking. But that is not the only work that the tongue does. The tongue is mostly important for tasting the food because it have the taste buds. It tastes the food as have the taste bud. Because of tasting of food in our body, that we can release the salivary glands will be able to release the saliva because it will stimulate the salivary glands to release, synthesize and secrete the saliva. Now next organ, that what we see in our mouth, not one organ but the important part of our mouth, it is the teeth, because at the center we see first tongue, but from outside when we smile we see teeth. Might be these teeth are very important to give the internal support to our face, that how we look. Yes, it depends mostly on the teeth. Yes, but teeth are very important organs part for mechanical digestion. In mechanical digestion, teeth, what does they do? They will chew the food, and because of chewing, they will convert the large food particles into the smaller one. They convert the large food particles into the smaller one. Yes, these teeth, they will be of different types. You know, this is the human being's characteristic. That teeth, they are of three types. We have the three teeth of three types, like the thecodont, diphyodont and heterodont. The teeth, what we have, they are of three types: thecodont, diphyodont, heterodont. Thecodont means what? They are fixed in bony cavities, that we call it as the gums. In this, they are fixed, but they are inside bony cavities are there in our jawbone. Yes, in that they are fixed, so they are called as the thecodont. Diphyodont, that every human being is being provided by the two sets of teeth in their lifetime. We know that the milk teeth, which are called as the deciduous teeth also, and the permanent teeth, which are also known as the permanent teeth, means they will be live for our lifetime. Next is there, that is the heterodont. Heterodont means what? That we are having different types of teeth for different type of function, for chewing, for biting, for tearing. We have the different type of teeth. So this is the characteristic of human teeth. Human teeth, this is the characteristic. Now, along with this, in mouth, as I described earlier, that the chemical digestion also takes place. Now, in chemical digestion, in our mouth, the different glands are there. Different means only one gland type, but the many are there. three pairs. So salivary glands play a very important role. Now these salivary glands, there are three pairs, as you can see this in this image also. What is now on our screen? There is an image in that you can see the three pairs of the salivary gland. Submaxillary, yes, submaxillary below the lower jawbone, submandibular, yes, below the teeth, and the sublingual. Three pairs means total 6 from this jaw, 3 from this jaw, 3 submaxillary, submandibular, sublingual. Yes, so these three salivary glands are there. These salivary glands, they will secrete the saliva. They will secrete the saliva. This saliva is the secretion that you know that when we feel, when we smell, when we think of a very favorite food, that it will get released. It will get released. Yes, but this is very important for digestion. Yes, this softens the food. It softens the food. You know that how much hard food we eat. It will be get masticated by our teeth. Mastication. It is the job of teeth. This will help in mixing it with the juice, saliva, because of which it will become soft. Yes, then it maintains the basic pH in our mouth, because which is needed for action of enzymes. Yes, and you know that if more acidic will be there, our teeth will get damaged. Yes, teeth will get damaged, and it kills the germs. So these are the important functions. Now, along with this is the first thing. Three functions: softens the food, maintains basic pH, and kills the germs. And this saliva, it contains enzyme which is known as the salivary amylase or ptyalin. It is known as the salivary amylase or ptyalin. This salivary amylase or ptyalin, it has a very important role, that it digests the starch and convert them into the simple sugar maltose. It digests starch and convert them into the simple sugar maltose. So this is the what we want to see today, that we have discussed. That is the digestion in mouth. That is the first part of our digestion, in which the chemical digestion also takes place and mechanical digestion also takes place. So dear children, please once again you revise this video, once again see, so that you can clear concept. And if any query is there, please contact the STNMS, the base school of our